Look around you. Everything you see, touch, and use could be a real-world asset. What are they? Let's find out. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Token Money Magnet. Today we're exploring real-world assets. Sounds fancy? It's actually super simple. Real-world assets, or RWAs, are exactly what they sound like. Real, tangible things that have value. Like houses, the buildings we live in, apartments, even castles. These are definitely real and have lots of value, right? How about cars, trucks, motorcycles, even bicycles? They help us get around and are worth money. RWAs, art, famous paintings, sculptures, even cool collectibles like rare trading cards. People want them, so they are valuable. RWAs, precious metals like gold and silver. People have valued them for thousands of years. They are real, you can touch them, and they're worth a lot. RWAs, even things like farmland where our food grows, or factories that make our toys and clothes. These are all real things with real value. RWAs. See? Real-world assets are all around us. They are tangible, meaning you can touch them and they have value in the real world. You interact with real-world assets every single day. Your home, your toys, the food you eat, the art you see in school. They are all RWAs. Want to discover even more examples of real-world assets? Download the Token Money Magnet app, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon now. Stay tuned for more asset adventures on Token Money Magnet.